Random Facts by Flutterby. Episode 16. Nintendo started out as a playing cards manufacturer and is over 125 years old. There is a rock band consisting of 4 British parliamentarians called MP4. At the 2003 Darlington NASCAR race, after a 644km race, the difference between the winner and the runner-up only was 0.002 seconds. Wombat feces are square-shaped. The largest tree in the world, a sequoia tree found in the Sequoia National Park in California, could produce 149 million sheets of paper. Japan and Russia still haven't signed a peace treaty to end World War II due to the Kuril Islands dispute. The same company that sells aspirin invented heroin and sold it as a treatment to coughs. Colorblind artist Neil Harbisson implanted an antenna in his head so he could hear colors. Sheep recognize human facial expressions and will exhibit happiness if they are smiled at by their caretaker. Dr. Donald Unger cracked the knuckles of only his left hand to see if the habit would contribute to arthritis. It didn't. No one knows who invented the fire hydrant because its patent was destroyed in a fire. Until the 1960s, the only reliable pregnancy test was to inject the urine of a woman into a female African clawed frog. If the woman was pregnant, the frog would ovulate within 12 hours. Sarcasm is illegal in North Korea. J.K. Rowling's book series Harry Potter was rejected by 12 publishers because they thought it would be too difficult for children. There is a village in Turkey where the inhabitants communicate in whistles. The title of longest sneezing fit belongs to Donna Griffith. The sneezing fit lasted 997 days, and it is estimated that she sneezed 1 million times during the first year. The international telephone area code for Antarctica is 672. The Ghost Army was a special unit during World War II comprised of actors, artists, and illustrators who used props and misinformation to confuse the enemy. A South Korean elephant learned to imitate human speech by sticking his trunk in his mouth. The word hello was only made common when Thomas Edison introduced this as the appropriate way of greeting someone on the telephone in 1877. Thanks for watching. Something as simple as clicking the subscribe button will make my day. We hope to see you in the next video.